Hi friends, this is Chanchal Sarkar. Today discuss about for loop in Python, and we write a small code for display 1 to 10 serial. So first, for loop syntax. For loop syntax is first for variable name in range, first bracket open, initialization, then condition, then increment or decrement or step value we say, then bracket close, colon, then statement print. So display 1 to 10 serially, 1 to 10. So first see the code for variable name I in range, initialization. So first 1, then condition up to 10, so 10 plus 1 increment or decrement plus করে plus 1 colon, then print I comma end equal here 1 space, here 10 plus 1, why 10 plus 1, 1 to 10. पाइथन प्रोग्राम्स प्रिंट करने के लिए 1 मोड लेना पड़ेगा, 1 to 10 plus 1, तो 1 to 10 प्रिंट होगा. सो एंड इक्वल डबल कोट 1 space, this part 1 space, this 3 dot 10, 1 initial 1 increment plus 1 initialization, condition, increment or decrement, her time plus 1 at condition up to 10, so 11 up to 20, 1 to 20 print, so 1 21 comma 1.